Pareto charts. So Pareto analysis is also known as the 80-20 rule, stating that 80% of the problem is caused by 20% of causes, right? So Pareto analysis or charts is one of the tools for quality management. So today we are going to understand basically how to create a chart and how to interpret it. Right. So here in front of you, you have this chart here, right? So I'm going to bring a problem in front of you. This is a problem that you see in front of you. And then with this problem, we are going to construct this chart and we're going to see the 80% that need to be solved. So Pareto analysis has a lot of facets. And in here, we are going to see how to improve the quality of our service using the Pareto analysis. So let's go for it. All right. So basically, we have this problem here. So we're going to create a chart for this license testing station. So here are the complaints from the clients. Let's read together. License testing station are receiving customer complaints regarding their service quality. There are many hiccups when candidates arrive for their post-house appointments. The defects found in the system are as follows. Candidates arrive late, documentation faults, officer arrive late, car won't start, candidates are too nervous, missing documentation, computer system offline. So these are the number of people complaining about each of this, what you're seeing here, each of these problems. All right. So now, in order to create our Pareto analysis charts, what we're gonna do is we're gonna list down our problem, starting from the one having the most complaints to the one with the least complaints. So the first one goes missing documents, 30 complaints. Documentation faults, 28 complaints. Now, computer system offline, 25 complaints. Now we go. Candidates are too nervous, 20 complaints. Then car won't start, 17 complaints. Then candidates arrive late, 9 complaints. Then comes the least one, officer arrive late with 4 people complaining about us. Okay. So this is how you create your chart. First of all, you're going to draw this axis. There it comes, and we're going to see how we're going to interpret this one. Then there it goes. Right. So coming here in total, we're having this amount of people complaining. All right. So we have 30 people plus 28 plus 25 plus 25 plus 20 plus 17. We have 133 people complaining. So 133 complaints. Now we are going to get a percentage for the first one. How do we get the percentage for the number of people complaining then? So you take our calculator out and then we say 30 divided by 133 multiplied by 100. What we have? We have 22.55. Then following the same technique, okay, so 28 multiplied by 100 divided by 133, we're having 21.05%. Now we do the same for this one, we get 18.79. For that one, we get 15.03. For the following one, we get 12.78. Then comes 6.76. Then this one is 3%. So that is the percentage. That is the number of people complaining. These are the complaints. Okay. Complaints. Okay. So here we're having 99.96%. Okay. Don't be too quick to round these ones up. So you can hundreds, let's say 99.5 to 100.5 will be fine. Okay, so don't be too quick to round that one up. So now we go to cumulative, okay, percentage. How do you get this one? So here, the first one we have 22.55%. Now coming, that one is this one plus this one, which gives, they do it together. So 2.55 plus 21.05, then we have 43.6%. Okay, plus 18.79, then we'll have the 62.39%. That's one plus this one we have here 77.42%. 12 plus 12.78, we have 90.2, then comes 96.96, then 99.96. I keep on making that mistake. And then here at the end we have the same answer. Now that you have that, what are you gonna do now? So now, to create your chart, you're going to name your chart. So here we're having the number of people, okay, complaining. And then down here we have the axis of complaint, okay? And then here we're having the complaint itself, as you can see there. So you need to make sure that this thing of yours is on scale. So the highest number here is 30, okay? 30 people complaining. So my one, I'm going to say 0 to 90, okay? That is 30. So 30, okay? Basically, so meaning 10 will be 90 times 10 over 30. So for 4 people complaining, I will have here 12, just the scale. Don't worry about this. This is just a scale. So our ratio scale will be 3/1. Okay. So for 4 people complaining, we are going to have 12. Okay. So then, okay, this will go with your scale depending how you are doing yours. So mine will be 12 millimeter for people. Then comes for 9 people, which will be 27, which is 9 times 3. Then the following one will be 17, which is 17 times 3 will give me 51 millimeters. So that will be 17, sorry for that. 17 people complaining. Then comes 20 people complaining, which will be 60. That will be 20 people complaining. The following one will be 75. With my scale again, I keep on repeating this 75 because it is 25 times 3. 25 people complaining. Then 28 times 3 will give me 84. So 84 will be there. So that is for 28 people complaining. Then I'll come down here. I'll do the same but differently now. So here I'm going to have my scale. So this will be for complaint. This is the axis of complaints, right? So I'm gonna have this one. How many complaints? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my space between them is 15 millimeters. Okay. So I'm gonna have complaints written there. Those are the complaints. Okay. Each of you will do it according to how it feels comfortable doing it. So there I'm going to have my first complaint there. My first one is missing document. You can fill this whole space up to you. I don't want to take much of your time. My second one will be documentation faults. My third one will be computer offline. My fourth one will be candidates too nervous. My fifth one, going with this one, my fifth one will be car won't start. My 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that one will be, yeah, this one for this one. Car 1 starts. My sixth one will be candidates arriving late, and my seventh one will be officer arriving late. Okay, so now you are going to draw this line here. So this one here is very important. This is the most important line. I'm going to tell you why. This is the cumulative complaints axis. Okay, call it axis or line, doesn't matter. So now your highest number here, okay, your highest number, depending with what you're dealing with, will have to match with 100% there. 100%. Okay. Then you can divide this 100% into 2 to get your 50%. So if my one it's 0 to 90, then my 45 there will be enough. So 50% there. Okay, basically 50 there, and then I'll have 60% there, 70%, 80%, and 90%. There comes 40%. You're gonna do it properly, huh? I'm just doing it so that I don't take much of your time. So 20% and 10%. Okay, so this one here is your line. There you need to apply your Pareto analysis rule. Okay, this one here, you see what I'm talking about. So now, as we could see there, for the first one, we're going there. So we have that's one. The second one over there. What we have? We have that's one over there. For this one here, what do we have? We have up to where? Up to there. Okay. Up to there. That's also 45. Sorry. Up to there. Then this one up to there. That's one up to there. This one up to here. And the last one up to over there. So basically I'm trying to join this one and that one. So we go up to there. So that one, okay, up to there. The other one, this one here, up to that one over there. That one going up to that one. So they complain, right? This complaint going from that one. That complaints going with that, and this complaint going with this one. So the first complaint, missing documentation, 30 people. The second complaint, documents fault, 28 people. The third complaint, computer offline, goes with 25 people, and so and so and so. Okay, now you have this, so you can either do this, up to you, whatever you want. Okay, whatever you want, this is up to you. So now this is the part that I want to show you. So according to this here, we have 22.55%. So for that one, which comes with this one here, we have 22%. So there is our 22%. I think somewhere there. The second one, 43.6%. This one, where is 43? I think will be somewhere there. Okay, so 43, somewhere there. Now the third one is 62.39. The third one, 63, will be somewhere there. You're gonna do it properly, right? So somewhere there. Okay. Now the fourth one, which is 77 should be somewhere here. Somewhere there. That's 77. The fifth one will be 90.2 will be somewhere here. So somewhere, no, this is the one. Somewhere there. The sixth one will be 96.96. This is the one. So 96.96 will be somewhere there. And the last one, which is the seventh one, will be hundreds or 99.96, sorry for that. Now you are going to join this. There is your chart. Okay, there you go. So to interpret this graph here or this chart, now you have just to to draw this line the way it's drawn there. Okay, but you can also use a different color of pen or pencil, whatever you call it. Okay, so that's one way. So now everything below the 80% needs to be focused on these complaints, which means the first complaint, the second one. So the first complaint, the second one, the third one, and the fourth complaint. These complaints needs to be focused on because they roughly 80% of the problem need to be focused on to improve the service by 80%. This is how you interpret your 80-20 rule, which is the Pareto rule or Pareto theorem, whatever you call it, Pareto analysis. Okay, so this is how you do your chart and interpret your chart. You can have whatever problem that you have in your system, whatever problem that you have in your company. This is how you plot it out in your graph and then interpret it. Okay. It was a pleasure of mine sharing this with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're going to enjoy it. But don't forget, you can write a conclusion here for whatever that you've analyzed here. You can write a conclusion so that they can do what they have to do. For now, I'm going to ask you to take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. See you on the next video. Bye.